Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More. I'm standing outside one of our recent fix and flip purchases. Just bought this home last week, got keys to it a couple days ago, and had a chance to get up here today. So we'll take a look at the house, show you the numbers, what we're going to repair, fix up, and all that. And make sure you check out investformore.com with more information on all my flips, rentals, being an agent. We've bought 8 fix and flip houses in the last 25 days, so it's been a little busy around here. All right, so this property we bought for $312,000. Purchased it through my direct marketing campaign, where I send letters, postcards to different people. And this was a gentleman who had kind of inherited the house, or his kids had inherited it. He bought out his kids, and then they all decided together they just want to sell it after it's been rented for 6 years instead of fixing it up. It's a big house, doesn't need a lot of work, but it's so big that it's going to be expensive just because of all the painting, all the flooring we'll have to do. Hoping it'll sell from $420 to $440 in that range once we're done. We're in Firestone, Colorado, if you're curious. As you can see, it has big living room, 2-story living room, dining room, loft upstairs, all kinds of space around here. Like I said, we're gonna do paint, flooring, have to do some work in the kitchen. Gonna replace the counters, and we haven't decided if we're gonna replace the cabinets or try to paint them white, replace the appliances. Hopefully that should make things look a lot better. It does have hardwood in here, and I think we're gonna try and bring the hardwood all the way into the living room, dining room area. That'll make it look a lot nicer. Half bath on this floor. And it has a big family room as well down here. Take a look at the backyard. Not a huge yard, but it's in decent shape. Has air conditioning. Nice landscaping with the big rocks. A little pond here that's been neglected for a while. Oh, there's a fish in there. Look at that. And the outside is not in bad shape at all. It's actually been recently painted, and it looks just fine. So we'll just clean things up a little bit back here. Nothing major. I'll take a peek downstairs. And even though, we're not doing a ton of work with baths and kitchens, we're still going to spend probably at least $30,000 on this rehab, just because of all the hardwood upstairs, paint everywhere, carpet, down here, bedrooms. It's over 4,000 square feet, so there's just a lot of it. And with a 2-story living room, dining room, that's them up on scaffolding or huge ladders painting, which can be more expensive as well. So another family room down here. Then you've got your bathroom with the jetted tub and the crazy dark tile. Not a huge fan of it. I've not decided. It's got the shower up there. It'd be a lot of work to tear that all out and redo. So in a perfect world, we'd redo that to something more neutral, but maybe we can figure out a paint color or something else to make it not quite as dark. We'll see. It is a basement bath, so it's probably not going to make or break selling the house, and not a huge priority. And another bedroom down here. The other thing to consider too with these high-priced homes is when you're selling them, when you're fixing them up, everything's more expensive. Your financing costs will add up much faster. Your selling costs will be much higher because you're paying, real estate agents a percentage of your commission. Property taxes are higher. Utilities are higher because it's a bigger house. Property, taxes, I think I said that. Insurance is a little higher because it's a bigger house. So all your costs are going to be more, and you have to figure that in when you're paying for these more expensive homes. Right, upstairs. You can kind of see it from downstairs, but there's a pretty neat loft right here. Good sized rooms. Does have the old gold brass fixtures, so we will replace those. The house I'm living in now has a loft. I'm a big fan of lofts, so always fun to see them. One of the bedrooms here. Another bedroom. You can see that window. Might have a broken seal, or might just be dirty. But when it gets, I think it's a broken seal, moisture condensation on the inside, that means the seal's broken, you need a new window, or it resealed. Bathroom here, not super fancy, you know, oak vanity, but it's got the tile top that's in good condition. Kind of builder grade surround. It's not tile, it's just one surround, but it's in good shape. So those are the type of things I don't think we have to tear out and go all out on, since it is just a hall bath. And then we have the master over here. So, big room. You can kind of peek at the mountains between the houses. Not an amazing view, but a small one of the mountains. And here's the master bath. So, has kind of a shower with, again, the one piece surround next to the bathtub, which is a jetted tub, again with the surround. So if we were to replace all this, we have to get a new tub, new tile, everything. So, I mean, maybe we replace the shower and tile it to make it a little nicer. We'll have to figure that out. But you just, you can't spend too much money on these houses or you're not going to make any money. And on something like this, where we could leave the top, maybe even paint these white too, like the kitchen, that could make things look a lot better and not be as pricey as replacing the whole thing, because those giant vanities like that are pretty expensive. And here we have the walk-in closet. All right, so that's the house. We'll get to work on it right away. As I said, paying $312,000 for it. Our interest on our money is going to be a lot higher. I'm using private money to fund this deal. Taxes, insurance, utilities, all that's going to be much higher. So the sooner we can flip it, the better. So we'll get to work on this one right away. Get some painters out here, flooring guys out here, and we might have one of our employees work on doing fixtures, painting, some of the cabinets, things like that. And hopefully, in less than a month, we can get it ready to go and get it back on the market. We'll see. All right, thanks for watching. Again, check out investformore.com for more information on my flips, rentals, being an agent. Have over 500 articles. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more before and after videos on our flips or advice videos. And if you liked it, give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Thanks a lot.